We're back. Sorry, y'all. I was sick for a little while, and then we also had family stuff going on over the holidays, and I said I was sick for like 2 weeks. But let's get into some car shit. So I'm gonna be working on my 1998 Outback. I got some new things for it, and there's some things I would like to work on it that are kind of off. So I bought some fog lights that I would like to replace. So these are the old ones. I'm sure y'all seen them before. So these are kind of the cracked fog lights that come on the 98 Legacy Outback. I could go probably to a junkyard, find some more, but me being stupid, let's put on some bright ass fog lights. Why not? So these are the old fog lights. I got one kind of sitting over there to where I would like to put it, but these are the ones we want to replace it with right here. And then if we can get these mounted correctly, y'all are gonna go through this process with me on figuring this out on how I want to mount this. But I can show y'all on Amazon, which is where I got them, the name of them, the amount they are. They come with a bunch of other stuff. So I mean, it comes with a quick connect, so you can wire these up however. It comes with, it comes with a whole setup to do it. Comes with the button, bag, comes with the wiring harness, fuses, all the connectors, grounding, positive connections, negative connections, fuses, this bag, and these lights come with the mounting brackets. So it comes with everything for the price. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be using everything in the kit. My goal is to take these with the mounting brackets, of course. We're going to trim these back. So I'm going to end up cutting these leads off, getting the wires out of here, and then I want to hardwire it into my fog lights that are already there, or the fog light wiring harness already there, and just have these running off the fog light switch. Alrighty, we got the Outback. I'm sure y'all seen it before. This side's all painted up. Still need to do this side, which we just got some paint in the mail that we're going to be using to work on it. But over here you can see the crusty fog lights. Then I put these on here, and then over here those are the ones I want to put in. I think this is about the location I want to put it in. Now the goal is in here, what I think I want to do is up in here inside the fog light housing. This is where the old ones bolted in, right here and right here. But you can see, so I want it set a little further back. I'm thinking I might be able to mount it right here. Like I said, we're figuring this out. If I drill a hole right there, I might be able to mount it, but this is a process of figuring out, like I said. So let's look around a little bit more. I'll look around a little bit more and see if I can find anything else, and I'll let y'all know. All right, we've got it mounted. It's in there. This is what it looks like. I like it. Now the way I mounted it is that, let's see, when you come up in here, you got your Klein light. So I left it to where these Allens in here are exposed, so that way I can adjust it if I need to. But up in here, there's a rail, which is like the crash bar or whatever, that's made out of plastic. Ended up figuring out where I wanted to place it, and then put a 1/4 inch bolt in here. So I got a 1/4 inch with a lock washer here. Typically you're supposed to have your lock washer on your nose side, but 1/4 inch bolt here with a lock washer here, and then nut and washer up here on the top side to hold it. And I'm pushing on it, and she's in the spot she needs to be in. And then we're gonna take this and wire it into this to get it on. You can also, so there's something else you can do, is that on Amazon or something like that, they sell clips. So if you want to keep like a quick connect type of thing, you can cut this and get different quick connects on Amazon. Install a new quick connect on here, cut this, and install the female or male opposite end quick connect on here, so then you can just plug them in and they're ready to go. But we're gonna hardwire these in. All right, let's cut these bitches. Okay, we'll save a little bit of room just in case. All right, so let's see. We got black and red. It's typically what I like to do is, what I'll do is do a little seam going around this, right? And then you could take your wires, boom, stretch it, and it should. Just by the seam, so you don't have to cut like completely all the way through it. And then got our 2 wires exposed, black and red. All right, now this. Got some electrical tape on here. Old electrical. We want to expose this wire. And I'm probably blocking off from all this right now. Right there, we can see it. So we're gonna cut right there. Where am I? There it is. So I'm gonna leave a little bit here just in case I want this later. But we're gonna go ahead and cut that there. Leave a little bit. Now what we want to do is expose some of this. Like so. Now look at that small wire. Jeez Louise. We're gonna strip this. Now, I don't know how they run their fog lights, because let's see, we have a white and a black. So typically this is gonna be your hot, and that's your ground. But with them using white and black, you know, I'm gonna say white's probably the hot because of DC circuits. Expose it. Expose it. Hopefully I'm not blocking all with my hat when I'm doing all this. That would suck. If I am, I'm sorry. But, and if I am blocking this completely, what I'll do is I'll just end up later, I will expose. Okay, so what we're thinking like this. So that's what we're gonna try. So let's power on these lights. But let's see if this works. So here, here. Bingo. Yep. So it's going to be white to red, black to black. White to red, black to black. Let's put those together. We're back on there, I should say. All right, let's get this puppy. So this is what it's gonna look like. You ready? Of course, we're gonna end up doing headlights too. So let's turn it on. And geez Louise, those are bright. So there's the ones where I had the bulbs in them, right there. And those are the new LED fog lights. Holy crap, those are bright. I love them. I love them. But that's how I installed them. So I'm gonna end up doing the same one to this one over here. Get that installed, and let me show y'all. Over here, So on Amazon, this is Amazon. These are the fog lights that I installed on there. And these are, this is the name for them right here. Right here. $84.99 for them. Look, free delivery tomorrow, so they can all come pretty fast. This is the name. Write it down if you want to install them, and that's what they look like. So that's how I did my fog lights on my 1998 Subaru Outback. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next car channel video. Let's keep working on cars, y'all. Y'all have a great night. Peace out.